there always water on this side?
Chris, no, don't jump.
I need to, man.
Look at this, man.
Interesting.
It's a hurricane. Hurricane Irene. And we're in the midst of it. All the rain has stopped. Now it's just wind and flooded roads, and it's freaking sweet.
Can't see the road anymore.
Look, that's the whole entire road. Like,
I want to walk through it.
let's go walk.
Really?
Oh, it's so deep.
Let's go, come on.
I love Jacob Cat.
I got it. It's so bad.
Look at this. Oh my god. Look, oh, dude, this is a whole entire. I think, yeah, this is the. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's so. It's scary. I don't know where I'm walking. Okay. Yes! I made it to the sidewalk. Look at this. Yo, let's walk down here. I'm just kidding. I better not slip. This is scary stuff. Hold on.
Go to the other side.
What?
Go to the other side.
Whoa! I'm getting pushed away. What are you talking about?
How fast you go.
Here, you put it in. I'm gonna run across. Throw it in.
See if you can.
Nah, it's slow. Oh my gosh, it's so windy. Hurricane Irene, you are awesome because you flood our roads and let us kids have a fun time. Where's the rafts? We should have brought one. Alright, let's take a walk. I'm getting soaked right now. I shouldn't have brought. Oh, it gets so deep right here.
We got next to the stop sign. Okay, I'm going in, guys. Nice flash, Chris. Thank you.
This is.
I'm on grass right now.
This is weird. Ew! I feel like I'm gonna get bit by a crab.
So unhealthy.
Nah, we shouldn't. Probably gets deeper there. We're like in a river right now. It's so rough. Look how fast this is moving. Hi, Jacob!
Look at how we are.
Okay, yeah, we're up to our knees right now.
I'm gonna go for a swim.
Dude, oh my gosh, if we brought tubes, this would be so much fun right here. This would be, oh, let's come back with tubes.
Dude, I guarantee we're gonna do that 2 mile per hour time.
Alright. Follow me on my iPhone channel, I dig the mullet. Because I'm going to be posting tons more videos from this hurricane. Sweet.